Stop struggling with lost workout data. Hi, I'm Anna from For Real, and today I'm going to show you how to turn on the Fitbit Auto Exercise feature on your Charge 6 in just a few minutes, so you never miss a step. If you've ever finished a long walk or a great bike ride, only to look down and realize you forgot to press start on your Fitbit, you know how frustrating that is. You did the work, but you didn't get the credit. Well, you're in the right place, because that problem ends today. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to enable automatic workout detection right on your device. This is a game changer for accurate fitness tracking. It's super easy, so let's get started. Okay, step 1. We need to get to the exercise menu. From your main clock face on your Fitbit Charge 6, just swipe from right to left. You'll see a few different apps like notifications and alarms. Keep swiping until you land on the one that says Exercise. This is your hub for all manually and automatically tracked activities. You might see a default exercise like spinning or walk here. Don't worry about what it shows just yet. The important part is getting to this screen. All right, for step 2, we need to find the exact workout we want to enable this for. The key thing to remember is that you have to turn on auto start for each exercise individually. So let's start with a common one, like walking. From this main exercise screen, swipe up from the bottom. You'll see a list of your most used exercises. If you don't see the one you want, keep swiping up until you find the big orange button that says More. Tap that. Quick trivia break. Did you know the technology Fitbit uses for automatic activity recognition is called Smart Track? It was first introduced back in 2015. It uses a 3-axis accelerometer to understand your patterns of movement. It's smart enough to know the difference between a brisk walk and a run without you telling it. Pretty cool, right? Okay, back to it. For step 3, let's enable auto start. I'm going to find walk in my list and tap on it. This takes you to the pre-workout screen where you could normally press the big play button to start. But instead of starting it, swipe up from the bottom again. This reveals the settings for this specific exercise. You'll see options like GPS, and right below it, auto start. You can see mine is currently off. Now just tap that toggle. It will turn orange and you'll get a confirmation screen. This message just confirms that the walk exercise will now auto-start when the activity is detected. Go ahead and tap the orange Got It button at the bottom. And that's it. The toggle is now on. Quick pause. If you're finding this tutorial helpful and you've just enabled your first auto-tracked workout, please hit that like button below. It really helps the For Real channel and lets me know I'm making useful content for you. Okay, now for a pro tip. What we just did enables auto-starting and stopping the workout right on your device, which gives you more real-time stats. Fitbit also has a more general setting called Smart Track in the main Fitbit phone app. Smart Track will automatically recognize and log an exercise after you've finished, but it won't start a live session on your watch. So for the best experience with live tracking, use the auto start feature on the watch itself, like we just did. Remember to do it for all your favorite activities, like running, biking, and swimming. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you now know exactly how to turn on the auto exercise feature on your Fitbit Charge 6. No more forgetting to start your tracker and losing that valuable data. Now you can just get up and go, and your Fitbit will handle the rest. If you found this tutorial useful and want more simple tech and fitness tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you today. And let me know in the comments. What other Fitbit feature do you want to master? I might cover it in a future tutorial. Thanks for watching For Real, and I'll see you in the next one.